Hi friends, in this video we will see regarding the large intestine, the rectum and anus. We'll take a close recap of what we have learned till now, that is mouth, regarding esophagus, then stomach, then small intestine. So in mouth, we have seen that the food is broken down by chewing and then it gets hydrolyzed by saliva. Then it forms the bolus. Okay, so food is from bolus over here, then it is passed from esophagus where the propulsion occurs. So the bolus is taken up by stomach through the esophagus. So stomach there is churning plus hydrolysis by the enzymes takes place. Okay, then the food is further goes for digestion in the small intestine. So we have seen the parts of the small intestine like duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Uh, every part has their specific functions. So now we will so we'll write over here duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. So we have to deal with the large intestine, rectum, and anus today. So we'll see what are parts of the large intestine, how it forms, how what is the function of the large intestine. Okay, so large intestine. So large intestine starts at the ileocecal valve, where the ileum, the last part of the small intestine, stops, and it connected with the cecum. So the cecum is the first part of large intestine. We'll see the first part of large intestine. So there are further parts of the large intestine like ascending colon, as it gets ascended in the in upper portion. Then when it gets done near liver, so it is called as the hepatic flexure. First the ascending colon, then the hepatic flexure where it gets turned and it forms the transverse colon. Then after that, large intestine gets another turn near the spleen, so it is called as the splenic flexure. And then there is a descending colon and the sigmoid colon, because it resembles like S shape, so it is called as the sigmoid colon. And then lastly the rectum and the anus. The rectum is there for the storage of waste products, like then through the anus, the all the defecation process takes place. So in anus there is the external sphincter and the internal sphincter. So in external sphincter, it has skeletal muscles, but it has skeletal muscle. It is voluntary in nature, like we'll see further. And there is internal sphincter which has smooth muscles, which is involuntary. So we do not have will to uh, do whatever, like it is an involuntary. So first we'll see the cecum, then ascending colon, then hepatic flexure, because it gets turned near the liver area. Then we have transverse colon, because it is in transversination, like that. Then we have splenic flexure, right? Then in the descending area there is descending colon, and there is a sigmoid colon. So there is a special thing regarding sigmoid colon, like uh, it is helpful in the absorption of water. So if it absorbs too much of water, then the patient may got diarrhea, sorry, constipation. And if it uh, absorbs less water, then the patient may have uh, diarrhea. Okay, so sigmoid colon, like, huh, this is important for the absorption of water, as we have discussed. So too little Absorption leads to diarrhea, and too much absorption leads to constipation. Constipation. So there is a specific disease regarding it. Uh, the life-threatening disease called as chlorella. We'll see later. For now, we have to focus on this. So there is rectum. So rectum is helpful in the storage of waste material, as we have discussed, and anus, which has internal and external sphincter, as we have discussed. So this is regarding large intestine, rectum, and anus today. We have covered almost all the parts of the gastrointestinal system. So yeah. So thank you.